Hello viewers, welcome to another day of exploration. We just ended the 23rd ICASA day here in Ghana, and as you know, even though it's for HIV/AIDS, tourism has a lot of role to play with this. My guests here are from South Africa. They came all the way from South Africa to this event, so we want to know their experience in Ghana. Hello, madam. This is your first time in Ghana?
Yes, this is my first time in Ghana.
Really?
Yeah.
So what can you say about Ghana, your first impression? Tell us.
I think the most important thing is the courtesy. You know, the arrangements were so professional, and the level of the way we were received within the country, and most importantly also is the level of presentations. The involvement of the different sectors was very critical, and what I really like is the young ones, the schools that have been involved since the beginning of the conference. It was highly impressive.
Okay, so what is your general impression about Ghana in terms of tourism? Your general impression about Ghana?
I think the most important thing is really the courtesy and the kindness of the community. We went, for example, to the market, and somebody just volunteered to take us around the market and show us, places where we can buy good materials. The other thing is the designs of the materials. It's very unique to the country.
Okay, so she says that Ghanaians are very hospitable in general. That's what you need to say. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, is this your first time in Ghana?
No, this is not my first time in Ghana. I'm a regular in Ghana. It's
so
like my second country.
You should give you Ghana name.
Yes.
Which day are you born?
I was born on Tuesday.
Tuesday, you are called Abena.
Abena. Hey, Abena.
Abena. So in Ghana, we give names. Some tribe give names according to the days on which you are born. So when you are born on Monday, you'll be given a name according to that day and all of the days. So for instance, you are born on Tuesday, so your Ghana name is now Abena.
Abena.
Yeah, so when you go to South Africa, just tell them that you have a Ghanaian name called
Abena.
All right, since you have been here so many times, what can you say about the country Ghana and Ghanaians?
There's a lot that one can say about Ghana and the Ghanaians. Firstly is the relationship that we have as a country, South Africa and Ghana.
Okay.
And that relationship came from way back. Kwame Nkrumah is also our hero. It's not only your hero.
Kwame Nkrumah is a Pan-African.
Yes.
It's for the whole country.
Nelson Mandela is not just our hero, it's also your hero.
Yes,
so the two joins us together and others that are our fallen heroes. But besides, in terms of Ghanaians, what more I like about them, the Ghanaians are the peace-loving people. They are jolly, they are lovely, they know how to welcome guests.
Yes.
Even when you are at the hotel, I was telling these ladies on our second day in a hotel to say that, this waitress is like they were told how much they walk. They are ladyful. They don't just walk, they are ladyful. Okay. But the support of the Ghanaian government to the economy of Ghanaians is also well noticed. You can see that the Ghanaians are very hard at work. They are not lazy. They are not lazy. Each and every street you see them. They are working. They are in business, all of them. So if you are dying of hunger in Ghana, there's no poverty in hunger and hunger in Ghana. That means you are lazy. You can't die, you cannot be in poverty in Ghana as long as you are a hard worker.
Okay, my follow-up question is, you made mention of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, that he's not for just Ghana, but the whole continent, just as Nelson Mandela is for all of us. Have you visited the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park?
Not now, but in my first visit and second visit, we did visit it. Yes.
It's not far from here.
It's not far from here, but remember, during the sessions, it was so congested. And there was a lot to learn here. We had interest in terms of many sessions, the adolescents, the community work. So we did not have that kind of a break. But one thing for sure, in terms of economy, we have bought a lot of your materials. So we have contributed in your economy. Yes, yeah.
Ghana's economy. ICASA, is that not?
Yes.
What do you want to tell some South Africans who has not even come to Ghana before? What do you have to tell your people?
My people from South Africa, I want to invite you to Ghana. Me, myself, and Abina. I want to invite you. The people here in Ghana are welcoming. They love people, especially South Africans. Each and every restaurant or any beach that you go to, they are very much welcoming, especially when you are a South African. They say, wow, that's our brother, that's our sister. You are most welcome. The tourism here is wow. The beaches here is wow. But avoid private beaches, they're too expensive.
Yeah.
But the rest is nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let me go to our sister, Tourghana. Please, before I get to, which day are you born?
I was born on a Friday.
Oh, Efia. Her Ghanaian name is Efia. She said Efia. Say it, let me hear.
Efia.
Efia. Yeah, like A.
Oh, Efia.
Efia.
Okay.
So she's born on Friday, so her Ghanaian name is Efia.
Okay, thank you.
So, Auntie Efia, please, is it your first time being in Ghana?
Yes, it is my first time.
Your impression about Ghana?
You know, hello everyone there. I want to say that, ever since, I've been dreaming about coming to Ghana.
Okay.
And I'm going to tell you a little story. I got employed in one of our provinces. I was coming from one province of Limpopo. I went to the northwest. And the first time I arrived there, I was dark-skinned. And when they asked me, where are you coming from? And I said, no, I come from Ghana. So when this trip came, I was looking forward to say that now I'm going to my home ground. Yes, yeah. But one thing for sure that I can say about Ghana is to say that, like my colleagues have said, peaceful people and they value families. If a country...
You hear what she said? They value families.
If they can have a family day or a holiday just for families to be together, that was really wow for me. But I also enjoyed the food here in the restaurant, the Accra, because it reminds me of my hometown in Limpopo. In Limpopo, that Accra, tastes like Ntelele. Yeah, so your food and hours are not that far-fetched, and I enjoyed it. But apart from that, I didn't miss, home that much because of the comfort, the smiles, the help that we got, from the people around here. In fact, we didn't get lost. And also the other thing is the crime rate. I think, it is very low, but you can also confirm. And then what I've learned about the conference, really, like our MEC has said, now I've learned a lot. What I got interested on is now the integration and collaboration between Western and traditional medication to treat certain conditions. To say that if it can then be standardized, so that it can also form part and parcel of the whole package of medication, so that any other person can actually access it just using through a medical aid, or maybe just going into a pharmacy and getting those medications. That was for me.
Yes. So meaning that herbal medicine,
yes,
traditional medicine can be used to.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that is a good opportunity for people, because over the years a lot of people have been advocating. They have herbs that could cure HIV/AIDS, but they are not being taken seriously.
But they must still be tested to avoid any harm. to the users. You don't just take it. They must be tested. There must be clear supervision, and they must be approved in terms of the processes.
Yes.
It's not just like you go there, you get the herbs, you drink them, because sometimes if they are not properly approved, it will cause more harm to our people. But like she's saying, we use a lot of herbal medicines. And these herbal medicines, they come with these people. Where did they come from? From us anyway. So it's the same thing that we say, you bring these things to us refined, but in fact these medicines are traditionally ours.
So this is to say that we can use our traditional herbal medicine to cure HIV/AIDS. Is that it?
It can be it can be any other medical condition, not only HIV and
Okay,
AIDS.
malaria, because in Ghana we use the neem tree and
Yes.
the bitter leaf tree.
Yeah.
It's good for malaria.
And for now, for the record, we cannot say to cure AIDS. Because on record, there's no medicine for now that you can say it kills HIV and AIDS permanently. But we are saying collaboration is very important to reduce and to prevent in some instances, and not only on AIDS, HIV/AIDS. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, just to add to the MEC, also to improve the well-being of the person. Because it's like any other medicine. When you are sick, you go to the doctor and it helps. So basically it's on the well-being. And I agree with MEC, we really need to make sure that protocols and guidelines is followed to ensure that we give the right product to our people.
Okay. So in South Africa, what is the HIV rate? Is it okay? Is it better than before? How is it going in South Africa in terms of...
From where I'm seated, I think as a country we are doing very well. We are doing very well. It's much better than before, especially after COVID. The numbers are going down. In terms of 95, 2030, we are almost at 85. We are almost at 85. So it means we are doing very well. Though the challenge remains that our people, some of them, they don't take these medicines. They know they are affected, but they just don't take medicine.
Okay, from South Africa. Thank you. Viewers, so like you rightly heard from the interview, this beautiful dress I'm wearing, this tote bag you see here, I got all of them from the organization at the 23rd HIV, AIDS and STI conference going on in Ghana. And this organization is the Achievers Improve Health Initiative. So if you have passion for HIV, AIDS supporters or victims, and you would like to support any of their goals, come grab any of these things. You can see my dress is very beautiful. The bags too are really nice. You are not just buying clothes to wear, you are supporting a good cause. So yes, you can locate them at the ongoing conference center, conference going on, and you can also contact for their address. So yes, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.